Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting real data. This matters because Appsheet generates structure from your source. Sign into Google, confirm the sheet is clean, unique key column, typed fields, no merged cells, then create a new app and point it at that table. Once done, Appsheet scaffolds tables, columns, and an initial view. Make sure to accept inferred types and save. These first steps set data integrity and prevent later schema headaches, so do them right now. Now you refine how the app behaves by configuring columns and views. That's where the power is. Change a column type to a num, add a valid if expression to enforce rules, and use app formulas to compute values automatically. This reduces user errors. Then design UX. Select a primary view, create a form for data entry, and build a detail view for review. Finally, add actions and workflows so users can finish by testing thoroughly. Preview on phone and desktop, perform full syncs, and exercise edge cases like empty inputs. Make sure security is set, require sign-in, apply roles, and use row filters so users see only permitted rows. When stable, run test deploy, collect feedback, then finalize deployment and manage versions with backups. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip is to check the table schema first. Mismatched column types or missing key values cause most runtime errors. Fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.